Morning children. Today we will solve the word problems of exercise number 4.4. Rakshita has rupees 265. Ashok has rupees 134. Who has more money and by how much? Okay, so now we will find out. First we will write the statement is okay, amount Rakshita has, okay, amount who has Rakshita. Rakshita has, how much she has? Rupees 265. Children, this is a symbol of rupees. Now next, what Ashok? Amount Ashok has. How much he has? 134. Children, here we have to find the difference. So, which symbol we have to write here? Which symbol we have to write here? We have to write subtraction. Okay. Now we will see how much amount and who has more. So, what we will write here? As per the textbook, we will write this sentence. Who has more money and difference amount of money, okay, rupees. So first we will find out the amount. 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So, here who has more amount, children? Rakshita has. So, write her name here, Rakshita. How much amount she has more? 131. Yes, children. Now we will see the second question. Vikas is reading a novel containing 325 pages. He had already finished reading 224 pages. How many more pages still he has to read? That we have to find out. Okay. Number of pages novel has. How many? 325. Okay. Now, number of pages read. How many? 224. Okay. Now, number of pages, as per the textbook I am writing the sentence, Vikas has to read. Okay. Now we will find out. 5 minus 4, 1. When number is same in the subtraction, then 0 is the game. 3 minus 2 is 1. So, how many pages Vikas has read already? 101. Now, let us see the third sum. Children, are you understanding or no? You have to tell me, okay? You can call or tell, or you can text me. Now, Ramya and Soumya are holding the marks they have obtained. Obtained means got. In which class? 7th standard. Annual examination means second sem examination. Who has scored less marks? What is the difference in scores? Children, here I will show you the textbook. This is Ramya. She is having 386 marks, and she is Soumya. She is having 491. Okay, I have not written here. So what I will do is, for my this one, I'll just write here Ramya 386 and Soumya 491. Okay, don't get confusion. Now, marks scored by children. Even though Ramya's name is first, I am not going to write her marks on top. Why means it is smaller than 491. During starting the first class of subtraction, I have told you, you have to subtract any number only from the big number. Okay, so first I will write marks scored by Soumya. How much she has scored? 491. Marks scored by Ramya. This was Soumya and this is Ramya. Nice names, children. So 386. Okay. So here, according to the textbook, they asked us to get marks, less marks scored by and scored marks. Less marks scored by means we have to write name of the child. So we will see afterwards. First we'll find out the number. From 1 I cannot subtract 6. So what I'll go? I will take the borrowing. Okay, 1 becomes 11, 9 becomes 8. So 6 keep in our mind. Count till 11. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5. When number is same, 0 is the game. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Who has scored less, children, here? Ramya. How much marks she is less of? 105. Now let us see the fourth one. Children, here Ramesh and Harish are milkmen selling milk. The quantity of milk sold by them is written on the milk cans. Okay, here are the milk cans. So Ramesh, how much? 264 and Harish 315. Okay, who is selling more milk? How much more milk is sold? Okay, so now quantity of milk sold by children, here whose name should be first? Ramesh or Harish? Harish. Why? Because it is bigger number, 315. The same way, quantity of milk sold by Ramesh. How much? 264. So let us solve this first. 5 minus 4, 1. From 1 I cannot subtract 6, so I must take borrowing. 10 plus 1 becomes 11 and this becomes 2. 11 minus 6, 6 keep in our mind, count till 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5. When number is same, 0 is the game. Now according to the textbook, more milk is sold by whom? Harish. Amount of more money sold is how much? 51. Okay. Now let us move to the fifth sum. Both Rajesh and Shilpa are traveling by bus. Tickets bought by them are shown below. Children, these are the tickets. Okay. Rajesh and Shilpa. They have not given the names only. They have given the Rajesh ticket number is 827 and Shilpa's ticket is 764. Okay. So number on Rajesh ticket is 827, Shilpa's ticket is 764. Find the difference between the two numbers. Yes children, we have to just subtract. Okay. Now what we have to write is number on Rajesh. Why I am writing Rajesh names first here? Because it is a bigger than Shilpa's ticket number 827. Number on Shilpa's ticket is how much? 764. Now we have to find the difference. As per the textbook, they have written therefore the difference between the ticket numbers of Rajesh and Shilpa is. Okay, now let us find out the difference. 7 minus 4 is 3. From 2 we cannot subtract 6. So what we have to do? We have to take borrowing and this becomes 7. 12 minus 6, 6 keep in our mind, count till 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 6. When number is same, 0 is the game. So the answer is 63. So here ends your chapter 4 children. Thank you.